Everybody, there's so much opportunity here. Everybody, you have to dig in. You have to really, really dig in because remember, your goal here, you joined a training program. You want to become a broker, right? We're training real brokers. You will all, and you graduate to the advanced role, when you get through your milestones and your quizzes and your tests or whatever it is, you will be an actual broker. You will manage a team. If you go work at a brokerage, you're in a calling center, you're pounding the phones, right? At first, you're just marketing. Then you finally get to control your own deals. You have a team leader. Then you want to graduate to the team leader role and manage a team. You can get all that done in a very short amount of time here at Ion and gain all that experience and expedite it and learn how to use automated tools and organic methods. And we have some really, really terrific tools for all of you to take advantage that expedites lender selection, product selection. Other business brokerages don't operate like that. They don't have those tools. They all still have paper with lists of names, and they're just pounding the phone all day. They operate like it's the 80s. You got there's valuable tools here, so we encourage all of you to dig in. Gerald, in terms of mindset following this call and all that we've talked about, what do you think the mindset for the week should be here? What's everybody's goal?
I think the goal, and this is going to be a challenge, guys, and we'll see how you do with it. I want you to, if you're calling, making contact with 10, 15 people a week, challenge yourself to double that. Just take it as a standard shift. You want to get more. It, we're playing a numbers game, and the only way you win is he who has the biggest numbers wins the game. We're not playing a game that just ends, guys. This goes on and on. We're to steal Simon Sinek's idea. It's an infinite game. You either don't want to you play it until you either run out of resources or you just don't want to play anymore. Right now, you got all the resources and everything's right out in front of you. It's just how you use your resourcefulness to expand what you're doing. That's raising your standards, setting a challenge for you, being better tomorrow than you were today. You set that standard, you're going to be a little better every day. Every day. You're going to send out 5 more emails. You're going to send out 10 more emails. You're going to send out more LinkedIn messages. If you're on Alignable, you're going to try to connect with more people there. Connected investors, those that go there and look. Like Ryan said, be very careful because Connected Investors has their own section for loan brokers. And if you're not verified through them, they could kick you out. Uh,
There's also competition to piggyback on that. There's a lot of competition in public databases. You have to keep that in mind. The best leads are the organic leads because you generated them.
yeah.
And you're getting exclusivity, right, in that sense. Whereas, if any of us were to go buy a list today from a lead broker, in the same day, he just sold it to 20 other brokers, right? By the end of the month, it's gone everywhere. So definitely something to keep in mind. But absolutely, Gerald, absolutely. Everybody, challenge yourself this week. What is the challenge? How can you up your game and step it up? Because it's going to be a continuous process of you stepping up your game, taking on new. You've got to absorb material and move forward. Absorb material and move forward. We don't want you guys to just be affiliate marketers generating emails. We want you to be actual brokers. We want you to know what it's like to manage a team of marketers yourself. We want you to know what it's like to sit in the driver's seat and get the deals over the finish line. Show you how to create stability, show you how to create earnings, right? Show you what the future looks like, right? Actually being a broker. What are we all doing here if it's not to get to that end, right? Otherwise, we'd all be sitting in an office somewhere. We don't want to do that. We want to be self-sufficient. Are you going to work at Ion one day? By the way, there's employment opportunity, right? Do you want to just stay signed up and manage your team because you're making good money freelancing and you're enjoying it? Sure, why not? Do you want to go off and start your own brokerage? It takes people to make money in this business. You have to know how to manage people and a team, manage data, track data, pay attention to KPIs, key performance indicators, right? Without those indicators, you can't make decisions. You can't make educated decisions, right? Informed decisions. So I know we're throwing a lot at you, everybody. We talked about a lot. I talked about a lot today. Thank you, everybody who participated. Thank you for your feedback. We need more of it. If you walk away from today's call with anything, everyone, it's that we need more feedback from you. Not what's going on with my one client and the first application that I got in, and that client's upset because of X, Y, and Z. That is as wrong as it gets. That is as wrong as it gets. Stop being emotionally connected to your deals. Worry about volume. You're never going to make it as a broker trying to get the 1 or 2 deals in the month funded and then get upset when it doesn't work out. You need the volume and the data. And then based on those numbers, you will know whether or not you're converting and making money. And if it's not enough money, if you're not converting, improve your efforts, expand your efforts. If you're stuck in one marketing method, use a multi-platform approach. Anyway, I think you all see where we're going with this. Leadership team, anything else we missed? Do you think we should touch on?
No, I think we kind of covered everything. I would say one point to everybody that has been doing some lead generation is understanding building multiple lists. And when you get those conversations with people who say, well, I don't have a deal right now, make sure you're putting them in their own independent list and you're managing your list correctly. So those phone calls, logging those in, because those should be your order of response. Go back to my warmer clients before I go to my colder clients, because anyone I got on the phone, anyone I took an application from, I have a much better rapport with them, and I'm not selling at that point. I'm checking in on them. I'm seeing how they're doing, and naturally them liking you because you're personable is going to bring deals to the table for you.
Absolutely. Thank you, Christopher. All right, guys. If there's nothing else from the leadership team, I think that's going to do it for today's call. Terrific.
Have a great day.
All right, guys. Y'all have a great day. See you Monday.
Thanks.
Thank you. You too.
Nice.
Thank you.
Bye, everybody.
Thank you.